Looking to make your home smarter and more energy efficient? Want a thermostat that learns your habits, saves you money, and keeps your space comfortable year-round? Welcome to Flicky Facts. In this video, we'll dive into everything you need to know about the Google Nest Thermostat, from its smart features to how it performs in real homes. Let's get started. What's in the box? In the box, you'll find the thermostat, base plate, quick start guide, trim plate, screws. If you're interested in the Google Nest Thermostat, don't worry, I have dropped the link in the description, so you can grab it directly from Amazon. Set up with app. Download the Google Home app, sign in, or create an account, then tap the plus sign to add a new device. Scan the QR code on your Nest thermostat. Follow the setup steps to connect to Wi-Fi. Name your device, and you're done. Comfort features. Schedule. With Quick Schedule, you can easily program the Nest thermostat in the app and then adjust anytime you want. Conserve. It can turn itself down when you leave the house, so you don't waste energy on an empty home. Discover. Savings Finder looks for more ways to save and suggests tweaks to your schedule in the app. Proven energy savings. Nest thermostats can save an average of 10% to 12% on heating bills and 15% on cooling bills. Smart features. Smart Voice Thermostat. Control the temperature of your home using your voice. Just ask Google. Fallback. Designed for an easy setup, the step-by-step guide in the Google Home app helps you out. Start saving from day one. Cozy savings. During the winter months, it can keep you and your energy bills snug. Understand your heating energy use with Energy History and the Home Report to help you save. Spring cleaning. Are you changing your air filter regularly? Get reminders to replace your air filter so your system stays fresh with each new season. Installation. Turn off the power to your heating and cooling system. Remove your old thermostat and take a picture of the wires. Label the wires with the included stickers and take off the old base. Mount the Nest base and connect the wires to the right terminals. Snap the Nest display onto the base and turn the power back on. The thermostat will turn on and guide you through setup. Just follow the steps, connect to Wi-Fi, and you're all set to control it from the app or the screen. Specifications. That's it for today's video. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and check the link below to grab your Google Nest Thermostat. See you in the next one.